Hello and welcome back to Mood India, California Arts Association's presentation of performing arts from India, including music, dance and drama. I'm your host Arvind Kansu. Continuing our series on Indian musical instruments, today we are going to present the second part of our program on tabla, the set of Indian musical percussion instruments. In the studio here we have today Abhinay Padhe, an accomplished tabla player from San Francisco Bay Area. Accompanying him on the harmonium is Vivek Tatar. Abhinay learned tabla from Sri Nana Mule and Pandit Bhai Gaitonde of Mumbai. While he's been teaching here for several years, he has been also learning from Pandit Shwapan Chaudhary, the world-renowned maestro. Vivek has learned harmonium from Pandit Vinayak Rao Kali. Welcome again. Last time, Abhinay introduced us to tabla, its structure and its construction. He talked about the various syllables, bowls, and the various aspects of playing tabla in an introductory fashion. Today he's going to tell us about the various components that go into making a tabla performance. In this context of a solo recital, Abhinay, could you introduce us to the various components that go into making a solo performance on tabla?
Okay, well, there is no very rigid definition, or just some basic outline is accepted by all gharanas, but there is no very rigid structure of a tabla solo. So typically it starts from a slower tempo to the faster tempo, so that's the sequence of the whole tabla performance.
And gharanas are the various schools that you talked about last time.
That's right. So typically it starts from a bowl called uthan or mukhda. The mukhda is nothing but a very short composition, starts in the middle of cycle and like some rigid rapid flurry bowls, and ends on the sum.
I see.
So I'll show you what is a mukhda, and then peshkar is followed by the mukhda or uthan, which is nothing but a slow tempo, some improvisation in that particular tal, and it helps tabla player to actually warm up.
I see.
So that is peshkar. So typically it starts with uthan, mukhda and peshkar, and then it goes into some other many other components.
I see.
So
if you could please show us some.
This was mukhda. Peshkar.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
This was Peshkar.
There are many pieces that go into making the performance,
Right.
and you showed us the first three ones.
That's it. So after Peshkar, typically it goes to a qaida. And then you can play actually Rela after qaida. I mean, mostly all players, they prefer to play Rela after qaida because Rela is a faster in tempo than qaida.
And Rela literally means a flood.
A flood, that's right.
Very fast-paced.
Fast-paced
thing.
balls clubbed together. A qaida means actually literally it's a rule. That means a rule. So what does that mean is you yourself define in a single speed what phrases or syllable you are going to play in that composition, and then you stick to those phrases and then do some kind of vistar. Vistar means sort of extensions.
And that's where you do the improvisation.
In a double speed, and a tabla player can easily play like 20 to 30 minutes. It's just improvisation for a simple theme of qaida.
I see. So it will start off with a simple theme.
Right.
And this is where the aesthetic beauty
Correct.
comes in.
That's right. So let's see qaida, and then I'll play Rela. So you will see the difference between qaida and Rela. And one thing to mention is like in particularly Gharana from where I came. I mean, I'm learning in Lucknow. It is famous for a qaida Rela. So qaida Rela is nothing but some combination of qaida and some beauty of Rela.
I see.
So it's a combination of qaida and Rela. So I'll just show some example of qaida Rela as well in between qaida and Rela.
Okay. Yes.
So this is qaida.
Qaida Rela.
another thing to mention is all these qaidas or relas, these are not exactly in a same speed or in the same tempo. For example, the qaida rela and rela I played was actually in 3 speed, means the multiple of 3 bits are actually stuffed into 4 bits. Okay, so it's called like a tishra jati. So there are many jatis. If it is a 3 into 4, then it's called tishra. If it is a 5 in 4 bits, then it's called mishra jati. If it is a 7 bit, then it's called 5 is khanda jati, and then 7 is called mishra jati. Now I am going to play a rela, which is actually a mishra jati. So if you once I go to the double speed tempo, you will realize that you are actually getting a 7 beats in the 4 bits of this cycle.
I see. I see.
Okay,
So these are the 2 different rhythms that are pulling and pushing.
that's right.
So this was the rela.
This was a rela. So after rela, typically it goes in a medium tempo, and then there is again no rigid format for gat, tukras, and chakradhar. These are the rest of the
These are the last three pieces.
last three pieces typically you play. But Gat is it's good to play in a medium speed tempo, and then Tukra and Chakradhar is towards the end.
Okay.
So Tukra is called Tukra means just a segment.
It literally means
Literally means segment.
Right.
So there are different syllables clubbed together in a body part. I mean, it has like two parts, one body part, and then towards the end it has a ti, means some phrases repeats in three times towards the end.
Sets of three.
Sets of the three. So that is typically tukda, and if the whole tukda you play three times, then it becomes a chakradhar.
I see.
So that's tukda and chakradhar.
Okay.
Okay, I'll start with Gat and then tukda and chakradhar.
Okay.
So now in this tukra, Gat and chakradhar, you typically recite those bowls. Not all, but few of them bowls you recite first and then you play. Okay. So this is one Gat which is again there are many type of Gats. This Gat it calls Akal Gat because it doesn't ends on the sum. It just ends before the sum.
Just before the sun.
Just before the sum. So that is called Akal Gat because it's an Anagha.
I see.
Dagat it again, Gedana Gadina Gena, Dagatuna Gana, Takit, Gedana Takit da, Digana da, Din da, Kat da, Gentrik da, Ta, Gentrik da, Ta, Gentrik da, Ta, Tak, Kedana Tinagan, Takatuna Gana, Takit, Gedana Takit da, Digana da, Din da, Kat da, Gentrik da, Ta, Gentrik da, Ta, Gentrik da, Ta, Din da, din da. There is another Gat called Dvipadi, Tripadi and Chaupadi. Dvipadi is like all phrases in that particular bowl are repeated twice. All those phrases are repeated twice. In Tripadi they are three times and in Chaupadi they are four times. Again different kind of Gat. Dhagena, dhagena, takita, dhinagena, taka, dhina, taka, dina, dhagena, dhatirikada, dhinaga, genaga, tinna, takena, takita, tinna, kena, taka, tinna, takena, dhatirikada, dhinaga, genaga, da. This is Dvipadi, Tripadi and Chaupadi is the same language. this is again of higher speed, so fast tempo. This was a medium speed. I will go to
So
the
go back
fast
to fast
speed.
speed.
Not back, I mean to the higher speed.
That's it.
Okay, now Chakradhar.
This concludes our two-part series on tabla, the set of Indian percussion instruments. Thank you for joining us. Mood India program on musical instruments from India is brought to you by California Arts Association. Please send us your comments and suggestions, and we hope you will join us again. Until then, namaskar.